Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sorry if my eyes look quite like sore, but I've been just doing a video. I've just filmed a makeup video on this palette from Makeup Revolution. So as you can imagine, the colours are quite bright, and when you try and take off your makeup to do another look, it can go a little bit sore and stuff. So my poor eyes. Anyway, today I want to do something a little bit more up my street. So this is more of a natural colour, like natural nudies, browns and stuff. Now I know it's a little bit late, but sometimes you just can't get your hands on things. This palette is the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice, and I'm well excited for it. So I've done my base makeup. I've just done some blusher, bronzer, brows, lip balm, that kind of stuff. And I'm going to jump straight into this palette. So what I first need to do is sort my brushes out, because look how blue that is. That's not going to be good. The first colour I'm going to go in with is going to be this one, which is called Powdered Sugar. Oh. And I'm just going to pop that all over my lids. Just, oh my god, that smells really strong. Like so. Then I'm going to go in with the colour Gingerbread, this one here. And I'm going to pop that in my crease. Ooh, wowzers, look at that bubba. I love it brings a mirror as well. So the colours in this are really, really good. The pigment is amazing, like, wow. I love the colours, like, I mean, look at all of them. They're so beautiful. The shimmers are gorgeous. I can't wait to try them. So I think I'm going to deepen it up a little bit and just take a little bit of reindeer paws. And I'm going to pop that on the outer corners and just try and deepen it up a little bit. And just pop it and blend it right in with it. Okay, it's okay. Then what I think I'm going to do is grab a little bit of Hot Toddy, which is this like orange colour, just to make it a little bit different, and pop some of Hot Toddy in the corner. Ooh. These colours are beautiful, guys. Then what I'm going to do is take some of Warm and Toasty, this colour, and this is a shimmer, so I'm going to use my finger. That's the colour that I'm going to pop on the rest of my eyes. Ooh. I'm also going to take some spiced rum and see if I can like darken it up a bit, because we want to go for, you know, like gingerbread vibes, obviously. Looky at my cookie. I love that. The names are so cute. She's pretty. You know what, I love it. I think I'm going to leave it like that, to be honest, because it's very gingerbready vibes, warm and toast. It's just very cozy and Christmassy. I love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the colour Spiked Eggnog, this one here, and I'm going to pop that under my brow bone. Ooh, I like that. And I'm going to pop a little bit in my inner corners. I actually really, really love that. So then gonna do some mascara. This would look great with like a pair of false lashes because it's very soft glam vibes. So obviously you can like really glam it up with some lashes. But for me, I'm just gonna do I love it. It's very natural and soft glammy. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on this palette. All I can say about it is I absolutely love the matte shades. They were just so pigmented and blended really good. The shimmers are really nice as well. You do have to build it up a little bit. They're not like wow wow. The palette itself is so pretty. I mean, look at it. It's so cute. So make sure you follow my Instagram so you don't miss out on any like pictures that I post of it and this look. And comment down below if you enjoyed this makeup look, and I shall see you guys in another video. Bye.